here is how to start your own business for $0, or here's how I do this for $0. And is it possible? I'm sure it absolutely is, but 9 out of 10 times, it's not going to just cost you $0. Today, I'm going to completely break down step by step what I think you truly need when starting your e-commerce business, and we'll figure out roughly how much that's going to cost you up front. So let's get into it. Let's talk about the things that you truly need in order to start your own e-commerce business. So right off the bat, a lot of people are going to talk about an LLC formation, which I went that route. I decided to form an LLC first before starting my journey within e-commerce. My boyfriend, he had been in e-commerce already for a few years, and he gave me that advice that you should just get the LLC first, knock it out, and get it out of the way. That way you don't have to do any kind of backtracking. It's not necessarily required right off the bat, but it does make things easier if you start out that way. So I'm not going to include the price for forming an LLC in this video. If you are curious, it's roughly between $200 to $300 to form an LLC, have the website file with the state, and get you all the necessary documents that you need. So if you're doing this the correct traditional way, you don't want to have the headache down the road, you would start there. But we're not going to talk about that today. We are going to dive into the necessities of getting an actual store up and running, products tested, you name it. So let's go step by step and figure out exactly how much that's roughly going to cost you. The beauty of e-commerce is market research costs you $0. You can take a look and see what's out there, what niche you want to go after, similar products that are out there. The world is your oyster. Thank you, Google. Thank you, Etsy. Thank you, Ad Library. Like, you guys are the best because it's free market research. You are able to kind of make good, educated guesses on the niche that you want to pick right off the bat. So right there, $0. The next thing that you are going to do is you're going to find some products. So you can find products online, again, which is within that market research territory. You then can either design them yourself. You can find designs on Etsy that you can purchase. You can make them yourselves, drawings, you name it. You can pretty much do that for free as well. Then upload those designs within Printify or other print-on-demand sites. So there's Printify, there's Gelato, there's Printful. There's probably hundreds of other ones that are out there. So do your research. They may have some cheaper options as well. Typically though, I have had a really good experience with Printify, and I continue to use them as my supplier for my e-commerce brands. So Printify per month is going to cost you $29. So right off the bat, $29. We're going to add that to our list of expenses. So $29 for Printify for you to get your design on multiple products. Really easy way just to kind of see. The next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to open a Shopify store. Shopify's basic plan costs $26 a month. So you already know Shopify, $26, Printify, $29. Those are going to be your two largest expenses, applications wise, for starting your own business. You need the Shopify store to put your products on, to make really pretty, to drive traffic to. It's a necessity. You have to have some kind of platform. I use Shopify. You could use Wix. There are other platforms out there. I just have never used them. I am a big proponent of using Shopify. I think it is the best host for e-commerce brands. The third expense that you're going to have is Canva. So Canva is amazing. There is a free option. I pay for their unlimited plan, so it's $12.99 a month. I'm able to make designs on there. I'm able to make my logo. I can make mock-ups. I can make creatives for ads. Really, the world is your oyster with Canva. They make it so easy. It's so user-friendly, and it can exponentially grow your business for $12.99 per month. So we add that to the list as well. So we have Shopify for $26 per month, Printify, $29 per month, and now Canva, $12.99 per month or free, depending on how much you are going to use it for. The fourth thing that I'm going to suggest that you add to your site is an application on Shopify called Bulk Product Editor. This is going to make your life so much easier when it comes to actually getting your products ready for launch. It allows you to bulk edit prices, bulk edit descriptions, change titles, add things to titles, rearrange your entire product list. Like, it is amazing, and it does so many things. And they have a bunch of different plans. The $9.99 plan, $10 a month, will work for 90% of business owners. It is absolutely amazing. I cannot recommend it enough, and it will make your life so much easier when you are starting out. So that's our fourth thing that is going to cost money monthly. So overall, we have Shopify, $26, Printify, $29. We have Canva for $12.99 or free. And we have now Bulk Product Editor for $9.99 per month. Finally, the last thing that you truly need to start your business is $100 for engagement ads. I know you're probably scared out of your mind. Advertising, I don't even have my products completely ready to go. Run some engagement ads. You're going to see how your products will most likely perform based off of those engagement ads. You only need roughly $100 to do so. $100 will give you a ton of data, a ton of information that you can then use to make better, smart decisions about the products that you're putting on your site. That is truly all that you need to start. So, ladies and gentlemen, that total comes out to $177.98. That is truly what I think you need to have put aside to start your e-commerce store. I hope this is helpful, and it proves to you that you truly do not need thousands and thousands of dollars to put towards this. And again, if you're following traditional steps, you're going to have that, you're going to open that LLC, you're going to have it already, that all those documents, the formation completed. You're then going to open up that business checking account, and then you can start applying for business credit cards. So it doesn't even have to be money completely out of pocket. So much of it can be going onto your business credit cards. Again, I don't suggest racking up your business credit cards if you cannot pay them off. But it just, again, shows that you don't need to have thousands of dollars in the bank at that moment when starting your business. I'm not an accountant. I can't give you all the financial advice or say this is what you should do, shouldn't do. Make smart decisions yourself. Contact an accountant if you have any questions in regards to this. But overall, you really only need $177 to truly start an e-commerce store. So again, I'm sorry that it's not some catchy title that's here's how to start your drop shipping or Shopify store for $0 at all. But again, I think $177 is attainable. Make some changes within your life. Don't go to Starbucks, don't get your nails done, or, maybe don't go to the bar and spend $100 on a round of drinks one night or every weekend. Put that into a fund for eventually starting your own business. It isn't unattainable. You can do this. You just truly need to have that mindset that you can do this. So I hope that this was helpful, breaking down really the 5 biggest things that I think you truly need to start your own business. If you have any questions about how I've done this or, looking for advice on starting your own business, please comment below and I will be sure to get back to you. But if you did enjoy this video, if you wouldn't mind liking the video and subscribing to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. That way I can continue making videos like this for viewers like you. Thanks, guys.